Karen asked her classmates to choose their favorite flavor. She ended up with the tally table below. How many students chose vanilla? How does the tally table work? Each one of these hash marks represents one person, usually. I mean, it could say otherwise, but we're going to assume that each one represents one person. And when we have a cross, so you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4. What does this diagonal one mean? That's just how we represent the fifth one. We could write it like this, and we could continue writing hash marks like that, but it gets confusing. It's hard to count. So the convention is once we do 4, the fifth one is going like this, and then we can look at these little packets as 5. So it's easier to count. So for example, if I looked at chocolate and wanted to count chocolate, I'd be like, oh, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. So now let's look at vanilla. How many students chose vanilla? It's just one of these nice packets of 1, 2, 3, 4 in the diagonal, which is 5. So the answer is 5. All right, let's go to the next one. So now it says, Aldo asked his classmates to choose their favorite fruit. He ended up with the tally table below. How many students chose bananas? So now let's look at bananas. We don't even have a full packet with a diagonal hash mark. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we can put 4 people chose bananas, and that's it.